Hello everyone, I'm Justin, and today we're here at Hollister Hills State Vehicular Recreation Area. Have you ever been off-roading before and realized you forgot something at home or at camp? In today's video, I want to encourage you to gather 10 essential items for a safer ride, because being prepared helps keep you safe and also have to see less of us. Our local wildlife can drink straight from the lakes and from the creeks. However, humans should not. Remember to bring plenty of water with you to last the duration of your ride. Having a way to communicate with either a radio or a smartphone is useful for when there's a problem out on the trails and you need to call for help. Remember to be wary of battery length and cell reception. Probably should have given them one of these. Snacks are important to help replenish the energy they use while riding. It's better to bring food with you than to get hangry and guess which plants are edible. Nuh-uh. What do we have in here? That's poison oak. First aid is very important for minor injuries that can happen unexpectedly, especially when your friends are all talking. Having a toolkit specific to your vehicle type is important for any trailside maintenance or quick fixes. You might not think you need it, but remember to bring 1-inch webbing for towing. Having a form of navigation, like a map, can help you have a reference point in case of emergencies and also help you plan for meetups. Having a flashlight other than your phone can be very handy in low light situations. Not holding it right. There. Even while riding on a warmer day, remember to bring a source of heat with you in case of emergencies, like an emergency blanket or that sweater grandma gave you that you never thought you'd need. Always take your garbage with you, pack it in, pack it out, and consider taking the next step and removing hazardous litter that could obstruct the road. I think we're going to need a bigger bag. Riding buddies aren't something that you can actually put in your backpack, but it's always important to ride with a friend of yours before you go out on the trails. Also, let someone know the trails that you're going on before you go for a ride. Thank you everyone for watching today. Remember, being prepared helps keep you safe. I look forward to seeing you on your next off-roading adventure.